All right, so the Nintendo Switch. I have something to say. It was literally hard to get this thing. All right, this Nintendo Switch in 2020 is non-existent. Okay, you literally have to buy this from a reseller, pretty much. Now in stores, literally this whole Nintendo Switch is out of stock everywhere. This thing is so rare that people are selling this for like $500. Now, you know that's the price of a PS5 or an Xbox Series X. So, not to mention, all that money is basically profit, pretty much. Now, this game is pretty sick. I'm not going to hold you. This is my first time actually playing a Nintendo Switch, using a Nintendo Switch, and I'm loving it. Honestly, I can play NBA 2K21, even though that's a terrible game, but I can play Mario, Sonic, Olympic games. I can play Rocket League. I can play Mortal Kombat 11. I can play Zelda. I can play Mario Kart. I can play Super Mario. I can play Mario Party. I can play games on games on games with this thing. And I'm pretty sure I could like crack it to where I could play like older games, like Nintendo 64 games and stuff like that. But I'm not almost certain yet about that. But I will try that. That's a video coming soon. But like I said, this thing is just super hard to get for some reason, and it's kind of upsetting, but I got my hands on one, thank God. I bought this from a reseller. I bought this on eBay for, I guess you could say, about its original price when it first came out. I think that's like $370, maybe $400. I'm not totally sure, but yeah, I picked one up for about $370, which is perfect because that's a holiday gift right there, you know. But yeah, this thing was so unreal to get. I'm glad I got my hands on one. This is my first time actually playing with a Nintendo Switch. I'm gonna show you guys some gameplay just in a minute. If you guys have any tips for me on, like, you know, using this device in a certain way, that way I'm experienced. Is there something I should know? Can I use a controller with this? Anything, let me know. Please let me know in the comment section, because I definitely want to play this more and see how it actually works. All right, so as you guys can see, I'm downloading a few games. I have 2K21, Mario Olympic, Rocket League, and Super Mario Bros. I'm gonna see if I can download a couple more games. I'm probably gonna download, I wish I could get GTA on that. That would be pretty cool. But I'm probably gonna download Zelda. I know that's a popular game. And Mortal Kombat 11. Those are probably one of my go-to games that I want to download. All right, so here we go. Mortal Kombat 11. There appears to be like 20 different versions, or maybe like the DLC or whatever. There's like different versions of this game. I gotta make sure I'm buying the right stuff, because I don't want to pretty much download the wrong thing and then regret it later. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna look at a couple of these versions, and I'm gonna pick one. So we got Mortal Kombat 11 right here. It is 70% off, so $15 just for the game. Now this game is going to, okay, so this game has like add-on bonuses, ultimate add-on bonuses, and like expansion packs. So pretty much I'm going to want to buy, is this the ultimate pack? Okay, so the ultimate pack is $60. Let's see what else they're offering here. Okay, so $60, you get downloadable content. You get all these characters. Okay, it's a lot of characters. You get some skins. Okay. You get more characters. You get the Aftermath story. Okay. You get some more skins. You get some more characters. So for $60, they're offering that. That is the Mortal Kombat 11 Ultimate Edition, and then there's an Mortal Kombat Ultimate add-on bundle for $50. I want to take a look at that actually. What are they offering? Is this the same thing, or? Okay, so all the characters, and then you get some skins. You get the story mode, and you get Rain. Okay, which is a character skins. What's the difference? I'm confused. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and purchase this game right here, and pretty much, yeah, seal the deal. Alright, so I just bought the game, pretty much $60 for that price, that's as much as a console game right there. I don't know how I feel about the pricing. I just earned 300 points, whatever that means, for this purchase. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this. I'm actually going to start the download, and then we're going to play and see how it is, and see how it compares to like console and the Switch, I guess you could say. All right, so far I'm approved of this whole Nintendo Switch thing. I didn't think I would like this thing, but honestly I do. I'm really messing with it. Like it's tough. Like I could just take this anywhere I want to, portable, with just a battery and just play games. Like I could play 2K, I could play Mortal Kombat. I can keep my game up to its speed. So for instance, when I'm playing Mortal Kombat, I'm never gonna be bad at the game, even when I'm outside, hanging out with friends and stuff like that. Cause I'm just gonna pull it out, practice, boom, or play 2K. This is a must-have right here. I wish they would add more games to it, meaning like console games as well to it. Like Call of Duty on there. If they up the specs up a little bit more, meaning if they did like a like 120 hertz display or 100 hertz display at 120 hertz, that'd be pretty sane. If this was 4K as well, bro, if this was like a 4K screen, bro, oh my god, it'd be fire. But honestly, the graphics look pretty good for what it is. Just the performance in the system, I think, needs to be up just a tad bit. Some textures appear to be a lot low grade compared to like console. But if they could make this like a console, graphic wise, that'd be pretty dope. Let me know what you guys think. Are you guys gonna get a Nintendo Switch? Nintendo Switch is pretty fire though. I'm not gonna hold you. I'm glad I made the purchase. I'm actually giving this away as a holiday gift to somebody. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, comment below. Also hit that notification bell so you guys know when I'm uploading a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.